Hello everyone, myself Pallavi Patil from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In last video, we saw the practical number 9, the DSCP configuration. In this video, we will learn the practical number 10, create the subnet and implement with it. So let's see what are the outcomes of this video to understand the subnet and use of the subnet. Okay, so let's see start. So practical number 10. Create two subnet and implement it with calculate subnet mask. Okay. So understand the subnet and use of the subnet. Calculate the subnet marks. And program outcome similar like a basic knowledge, discipline, knowledge, experiment and practice engineering tools. The practice skill is created two subnet. Okay. And course outcome set up the computer network for the specific requirement, implement subnetting for the improved network address management, and practical outcome is a create two subnet. So let's see, this is a diagram of the subnet. Okay, subnet. First, what is a subnetting? What is a subnet? So subnetting is a process of dividing a single large network in a multiple smaller network, that is a subnet. ओके, सबनेट मीन्स क्या होता है, इस डिवाइड करते हैं हम लोग सिंगल लार्ज नेटवर्क को इन अ मल्टीपल स्मॉल नेटवर्क. The subnet allow the flow of network traffic between hosts to be generate based on a network configuration. By organizing hosts into the logical group is a subnetting can improve the network security and performance. Okay. So by organizing the hosts into the logical group या subnetting can be improve the network security. Improve करता है network security performance improve करता है subnet. So subnetting can be useful is a variety of way. Okay. So include is a simplify the network administrator to use a different physical media such as the Ethernet and the FTDI and adding layer of security to your network. The most common use of the subnetting is to control the network traffic. Okay, सबसे बड़ा यूज है सबनेट का, कंट्रोल करता है नेटवर्क ट्रैफिक. जो भी ट्रैफिक होता है नेटवर्क में वो कंट्रोल करने का काम किसका रहता है, सबनेटिंग. Okay, so subnetting is done by borrowing host bit and using them is a network bit. For example, network address. For example, network address है 192.168.1.0. Okay, and it is a subnet marks. उसका subnet marks क्या रहेगा, 255.255.2550. Okay, is expressed in a binary. Notice that the address bit that have the corresponding marks bit set to 1 represent the network address. Okay, so address bit that have the corresponding marks bit set of 0 represent is individual host address. So with this address of bit from the 1, 2, 3, it is used to identify the network portion of the address over the multiple subnet of the network can be created by borrowing a bit from the 4 to 30 bit from the left right are taken to the following. Okay, so change the subnet marks. The more host bit are used for the subnet, the more subnet are available. So however, the more subnet are created, okay, the less host address are available per subnet. So subnet marks is used to divide IP address into two parts. Okay, one part is identify the host, that is a computer, and other part is identify the network to which is belong. Okay, तो सबनेट मास्क क्या करता है, इसे डिवाइड करता है आईपी एड्रेस को इनटू दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करता है। वन पार्ट रहता है इसे आइडेंटिफाई करता है होस्ट दैट इज अ कंप्यूटर, एंड अदर पार्ट जो है वो आइडेंटिफाई करता है नेटवर्क which is belong. Okay, so it is called as subnet marks because it is used to identify the network. ये identify करता है नेटवर्क को, नेटवर्क एड्रेस को identify करता है of the IP address by performing bitwise and operation on the not marks. Okay, so subnet marks is the most recognizable subnetting similar to the IP address. Subnet marks consist of the byte 32-bit, okay, and often the writing using the same uh, dotted decimal notation, okay. So example is a very common subnet marks is it is in a binary representation. So IP address has two component network and host address. The network address is a refer to the address. The network which host address is referred to the host or the that network. And these are the steps to creating the subnet marks. These are the steps to create. The step one, the borrow host beat from IP address example and 192.168.7.0 and use them the network bit. Okay. Step two, the create a first subnet by borrowing one rightmost bit of the address per below table. And step 3, create the second subnet by borrowing the two rightmost bit of the host address as per the below table. Okay. And step 4, the two subnet are created like that. First one 192.168.7.128 and second one 192.168.7.192. These are the two subnets we're creating. Okay. This is a practical number 10. Okay, any doubt regarding this practical we will discuss in a lecture, student. And next video we will see the last practical 11 and 12. Hmm? Okay, thank you, student.